This is a presentation of work done by Subsea Guardian Ropeless Systems and Sustainable Seas Technology testing on-demand pop-up gear in Central California's spring Dungeness crab fishery. The statutory season in this fishery is November to June. However, in recent years, including the 2023-24 season, it's been substantially reduced due to the presence of whales and the risk of entanglements. This year, the season opened on January 18th and closed 81 days later on April 8th. Fishers participating in an experimental fishing permit could remain fishing with 150 traps through the remainder of the statutory season. The acoustic release used is the AR4RT. It uses a simple, low-cost acoustic receiver. It rotates a cam 180 degrees to release a drawstring, which then can be reset by the user. Release commands are sent using the ARI4RT topside deck unit and associated transducer. The Guardian line handler provides simple, reliable storage and retrieval systems using the fisher's existing gear and handling systems. There are two configurations used for 2024 testing, with the primary being this Guardian inshore sled. The acoustic release shown in the bottom right-hand corner rotates 180 degrees, releasing the drawstring, and allows the float and line to come to the surface where the fisher can haul it using their traditional haulers. A condition of this CFP, as well as ropeless fishing in general, is a way to mark gear locations without a surface float. We use a simple GPS-based gear marking app called Trap Timer. It allows the user to see not only their gear locations, but other users within a prescribed range circle. Virtual gear marking also gives regulators and enforcement the ability to see all set gear locations throughout the fishery with a web-based portal. Another key component is that traditionally crab fishing in California is a single trap fishery. Under the CFP, strings or trawls are allowed, which has two advantages. One, it reduces the capitalization costs by reducing the number of on-demand systems needed. Also, it provides a simple, reliable backup recovery method by means of grappling. This spring we had 19 participants. Each was allowed 15 strings, trawls, or long lines, as they say on the West Coast, with 10 traps per string. We delivered 300 Guardian sleds and over 320 acoustic release units to this fishery. Pop-up gear was purchased by the individual fishermen with a base cost of $14,025. This included the on-demand systems, topside deck unit, and transducer. There was a buyback option at the completion of the EFP with funding provided by the California Ocean Protection Council. We provided training both in the classroom and on the water, which was administered by Sustainable Seas Technology. This included captains, crews, and enforcement personnel. We also brought in experienced users from other fisheries. As part of the training, fishers were instructed that performance reporting was a requirement, and we provided a number of means to do so, including a mobile app. Success is defined as when the system is recovered only using the on-demand system. A failure is any time the system was not recovered using the on-demand system, for instance, grappling. We then subcategorized those failures into 6 different cause codes. The 19 participants completed 277 individual trips with 2,361 gear deployments. The cumulative deployments can be seen here in the figure on the right. The overall reliability rate was 98%, with 292,000 pounds of crabs harvested worth $2 million. And now that we know the gear works, we're looking forward to expanding operational testing in the 2025 Dungeness Crab EFP, as well as expanded testing in New England with gear lending programs. Near-term gear testing includes two-way comms with the AR4RT Plus, as well as our deepwater AR4RT, also looking to test various through-hull transducers. We're looking to refine some of our line handling systems, as well as introduce new variations to really make the gear adaptable to multiple fisheries. This work and ongoing work is supported by the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation, the NOAA Saltonstall Kennedy Grant, and the NOAA Bycatch Reduction Engineering Program.